of a big day, looking at a lot of topics, and we are now coming closer to the end. So thank you for those that stood here, and thank you also for those that are standing online. So we're going to go for the final part, which is the one related with the third-party feedbacks and views. My name is Rui Fragoso. I'm head of buildings at ADEN, the Portuguese Energy Agency. We have been also running the EPC scheme in Portugal since 2007. So it has been personally, for me, very good to see many of the examples from these projects. Here at ADEN, we have been also running the core team on a concerted action that is dealing with building renovation passports and certification since 2018. So it's great not only there with member states and here with projects to deal with EPCs and try to go further and look at the challenges that new EPBD bring us.